It's March 1st, and with some debris and a drone falling from the sky, people are just freaking panicking. People are just going crazy, absolute butt wild, bro. I don't know if that's even a word. They want to escape, bro. They're looking for an airport. They're just looking for enough fucking runway space where they can just run fast enough and fucking flap their arms and fly away. I don't get it, bro. Why are they so scared? They're just fucking running away as if, it's World War III. And I mean, like, people are, they're trying to learn how to walk on water. What the fuck? People are just looking for a way out. Some fucking weird guy was saying he was trying to plug himself into the internet so he can escape into the Matrix or some shit. I'm like, what? These people are going insane, bro. They're already insane with just living inside and stuff. This is just a reflection of what's to come, with all due respect. The UAE is handling everything freaking phenomenal, If it was anywhere else, I think it would have been much more chaotic. People would have been just panicking and spreading misinformation. There's a lot of people still spreading misinformation, which is crazy. People are just praying and praying, looking for some sort of a miracle where they can just disappear or teleport from here. It's so freaking stupid. Just calm the fuck down. Is it that hard? Just calm the fuck down and chill out. Just stay inside, eat. This is all gonna pass. This is all gonna pass. World War III, this shows like people are not prepared, People are not prepared for World War III, and it has already begun. Not just with the UAE, not just with Iran spazzing out, not just with the US and the Iran and all these thingies going on. Look at the world. Russia and Ukraine is still going on. With Iran now spazzing out. I think Pakistan and Afghanistan, they're also. It's all over, bro. It's all over the world. It's all over the world, the war. And you could also say, like, it's all over, people are fighting. It's begun, and I don't think there's any going back. It's now just like the test has begun, and it's pretty much survival of the fittest, and whoever sticks together, I think, wins. It's gonna be a lot more messy, I feel like. Things are gonna be calm and everything's gonna be fine here, but just overall in the world, I don't think it's gonna de-escalate anytime soon. My assumption is it's just gonna ramp up again. It's just gonna be a spike again somewhere. And with Iran spazzing out just like this, I don't think there's any way for it going back. It's done, bro. Sad to say, I think Iran might be erased from the map. And winners write the history, you know what I mean? So, with all due respect, I'm just putting out some words and some thoughts.